Good day, good day, good day, good day, family. Well, my major announcement that I was going to speak on is the fact that we are relocating. So, today, today is Friday, September 23rd, and I want to mark this day as the first day that our move actually begins because we're literally packing up right now. My walls, I have to get these two things off my walls, but walls are blank. And yeah, you see a whole bunch of Keisha's going down. Altars are going down today. And so, yeah. And you might ask, well, where y'all moving to now? We are moving to Florida. We're moving to Florida. So stay tuned and join me on this journey. This will be my first, no, probably, yeah, I guess my second real vlog. So I'm going to take you guys on the journey and move with us to Florida. This is part one. So we ordered a pod. My husband is on his way back from Florida. And yeah, and you might ask, what part of Florida? But I think I'm going to hold that part until after I post this video. So maybe someone can guess what part of Florida we're moving to. Okay. Yeah, so we've ordered one of those pod things, and they will be here shortly at around 10. It's like 7 something. So I'm going to fry up some chicken and some grits for the kids, and yeah, try to put some cucumbers over my eyes because I barely got any sleep. So y'all might see me looking a little crazy. We have a hurricane coming. So we're going to see how this pan out. It's not my first hurricane. I was in Hurricane Katrina and Rita in Louisiana. So I have a medical background. I'm very, very prepared as far as I don't think there's any hurricane that could get you more prepared than Hurricane Katrina. So I think we'll be okay. We got many prayers, many blessings of protection. So we're making this journey because I got to be somewhere. I have to report to the USPS soon in a couple of weeks. So when you ask for an abundance of blessings or things in specific, my auntie told me you gotta stay ready so you don't have to get ready. So the blessings are coming in, my manifestations are coming in. So it's just follow suit. You gotta just go with the flow at this point because I asked for it. We asked for it. So I won't make this video too long, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Maybe Maestro will be woke by then. Love you guys. Peace. Hey, family. Today marks day 2 of our move journey to Jacksonville, Florida. I did not want a day to go by. I look a mess, and I probably will for the next few days because we trying to avoid a hurricane. Papi just made it back from Philly/Jacksonville. We are still moving stuff. Had to go say adios to family.
The matriarch.
The matriarch of the family.
She gave her blessing.
Came to get blessings on blessings. And now we good to go. You excited, puppy?
Oh, yes. I'm tired. It's ready to go.
Do the bug. Let's do the bug. Do bug. Are you excited? Yes. Look how he looking. Y'all know who that is.
Yeah.
Maestro.
I'm moving to Jacksonville. We're in no secret. We're in no secrets, right? Truck.
No, I'm not getting my nails done.
No, I wasn't talking about nails. I'm sorry about
I won't be getting my nails done for till this move is all the way over. Maybe when my shift starts. So I haven't heard anything from the USPS about, hey, we're having a major hurricane. They don't care. They still want me to, show up. No, but weather is calm right now. To be honest with you guys, in Jacksonville, it's just the calm before the storm. I will be packing plenty of water. That baby hanging out that car like that. Don't forget McDonald's. I'll be packing plenty of water. Of course, snacks, but I'm gonna be packing a little bit different because we are going into, we don't know what we're going to have to, gonna try to avoid it at all costs. This hurricane. How long we gonna have to wait it out? We don't know, because they really don't know what direction. Poppy, only thing I want from here, I'll take a large frappe with extra caramel on the bottom and the top. That's all. A caramel frappe, extra caramel on the bottom and the top.
What are you doing? You don't need to roll the window
Okay,
down
y'all.
and read the menu.
But that's it. I'll be about to order this food, so Lord, my lips is dry.
No.
That's what's going on. So hold on. Hey fam, we are so exhausted. Today is still day 2 of our process, our journey to Florida, trying to get behind the hurricane. We're just waiting to see what Ian gonna do. Ian. We just waiting to see what he gonna do. I wish him would hurry up, honey, because it's exhausting. Now they're saying that it has the potential to be a Category 5 hurricane, but we just gonna keep on checking on it. And it's supposed to, if it's a 5, then it's gonna cover like a wider area or whatever. But there's different projections, so we're looking at all of them.
My car is safe.
Poppy just hoping that his vehicle is safe. Because one of the cars is parked outside in Jacksonville. Thank God for insurance. So, just checking in. Yeah. Um, we still have a lot to do. Got a lot of stuff to give away before we clear things out. And then wait for them to like pack up, come pick up the pod. I have to close out a few things with the kids' school, and then deuces to Vegas. We out. We out, yeah. All right. I'm about to get some sleep. Just a quick check in. I said I was going to just catalog this whole journey. So it's not much to talk about other than there's a whole bunch of shit in the house that we need to get rid of.
Oh, now it's we.
Just solo coach purse, so I'm feeling kind of good about that. Oh, I got a couple of doonies that I don't need to take with me, so yeah. But I felt good about that. Giving away quite a few things, and that's it. Got a lot of food that we're giving away tomorrow.